Keychron has introduced its latest wireless keyboard, the Q1 HE keyboard, currently available through crowdfunding on Kickstarter. Let's explore the key specifications of this keyboard. Keychron Q1 HE keyboard specifications. Bullet. The keyboard comes with 82 keys and a 75% layout, including 12 multimedia keys. Bullet. It features south-facing RGB switch faces, NKRO anti-ghosting, and a 4000 mAh rechargeable Li polymer battery. Bullet. This hot-swappable keyboard supports dynamic 4-in-1 action keys, and its dimensions and weight make it a substantial yet manageable addition to any workspace. Bullet. The keyboard features a sturdy full metal body made from eco-friendly 6063 aluminum. Bullet. It includes PBT keycaps and uses silicone pads to minimize sound. Bullet. The keyboard also has PCB-mounted screw-in stabilizers for a stable typing experience. The Q1 HE keyboard stands out with its use of Gateron 2.0 magnetic Hall sensor switches. These switches feature a dual-rail structure, extended stem design, and special pre-lubrication for improved stability and smoothness. They offer customizable actuation points, allowing users to adjust sensitivity within a range of 0.1 mm to 4.0 mm, providing a tailored typing experience.